Hi everybody. So as you know, I'm really excited. I had a little rough week the week before. I didn't lose as much weight, but I'm back to losing 2 pounds this week. So I'm excited about that. I'm 170. I'm so ready to go to 170. So hopefully next week, even if I only lose 1 pound, I'm 169. I'll be out of the 70, so that'll be cool. But I'm just happy. So tomorrow I do my run. I don't exactly know when I'm going to post this video. Usually I actually do my weigh-ins on Fridays and post all my videos on Friday. So probably by the time I've done this video, I've already ran. So hopefully I do really good tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. I got to be there at 8 in the morning. My friend Jenny's going to go, so it's going to be exciting. She's in a lot better shape than me. She's really thin, really small, and really athletic. So I told her to push me because I really, want to start running great. But I will do a video on the run, how it went, probably separate from my weigh-in since I'm already doing this. So I will see you guys later, and I'm going to check out everybody's video. Hope you did great.